Welcome guys. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis video, I will do technical analysis and I will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get pin message and these two links. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account. And after creating your account, you can after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus. And this is Bybit exchange link. Just create your account with this link and after initial deposit you can get $1,600 bonus, which is withdrawable, which is tradable too. Let's dive into the content. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Bitcoin break this ascending triangle towards upside, and I was at this target, $34,000 area, and the target was this. Let me please show you. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe because on this channel I do daily technical analysis and tell daily price targets for the Bitcoin. This was the target, but unfortunately, after hitting this area, $34,255, Bitcoin now is in sideways. It was trade of approximately, let me please show you how much it gives. It was trade of 3.06%. With 10x leverage, it is 30% trade. Congratulations if you took this trade. Now, what is next? Let me please remove this and let me please show you my new chart, and I will tell you this situation very clearly, and I will try my best to show you each and everything. Bitcoin is still in this rising channel. Let me please show you. Here you can see, if I measure this is a rising channel, and let me please zoom this. Here you can see, but the rejection point is that $32,000 area. This is very important price area for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin have to hold this area, and Bitcoin have to break $34,800, $34,500 to $34,800 area in order to move towards the upside. The upper trend line of this channel is at $34,400 area. Once Bitcoin break this area, then definitely Bitcoin price can hit like this. The target will be like this. But because of the holidays, there is very less volume in Bitcoin chart. That is why Bitcoin is sideways. This will be the target, $35,900. And if unfortunately Bitcoin rejected from that area, then Bitcoin price can go down to retest this zone again. And it is at $32,900 area. $33,000 area is very crucial, and $34,800 is also very crucial area for the Bitcoin right now. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. 1 hourly EMA ribbon is candles are still above from this, and that is a very good sign for the Bitcoin. Let me please hide this and let me please show you volume. Volume is missing. There is very low volume. That is why Bitcoin is sideways in hourly chart. Let me please show you VPBR towers. VPBR main towers are at $33,900, $34,000. If Bitcoin break this area, $34,000 area, then next big tower is at $34,300 area, and after that towers are at $34,600 area. Let me please show you my very important chart, which is very important, and I will show you very important price targets. If Bitcoin did this, then this will be the worst condition, I think so. This is Bitcoin weekly chart, and this yellow line is 50 moving average weekly line, weekly 50 moving average line, and this blue line is 200 weekly moving average line, this line. And let me please show you very interesting thing. If you still not like my channel, like this video and subscribe my channel. Here you can see in 2017, Bitcoin price was $1,800, $19,000, and after that, Bitcoin price retest this upper moving average, 50 days moving, 50 weekly moving average, and after that, price moved towards the upside after hitting this. So let me please show you what is that. After that, there is a uptrend move, and Bitcoin price rises 52%. And after that, Bitcoin price goes, once Bitcoin price break this 50-day weekly moving average, in that case, price goes down to retest this 200 weekly moving average, and price was $3,233. And now this 200 weekly moving average acts like a support zone for the Bitcoin, and after that, here you can see it was a great move towards upside, and after hitting that, here you can see price goes up to, here you can see 277% rise in the price, and after that, here you can see Bitcoin again retest this, goes down to retest this zone. Here you can see Bitcoin price again goes down to retest this upper trend line of 50 weekly moving average, and after that, there is another move of the Bitcoin, and it was the move of approximately 57%. And once Bitcoin break this area, this upper trend line, price goes down to $3,851 price level, and how much price decreases after hitting this zone? 55%. And this weekly 200 weekly moving average now also acting like a support zone for the Bitcoin, and after that, Bitcoin price moved towards upside. And how much Bitcoin price moved towards upside, let me please show you. After that, Bitcoin price approximately 700%, 800% approximately. It was move up 800 to maybe 850% move. Bitcoin price again rejected from $65,000 area, and after that, here you can see Bitcoin is again testing this upper trend line of this 50 weekly moving average, this area. If Bitcoin hold this area, then well and good. Otherwise, Bitcoin price can go down to retest this zone and the down 200 weekly moving average, which is at approximately $14,000. Yes, my dear friends, $14,000. Let me please show you. If this move happens, Bitcoin can retest this line down moving average, which is 200 weekly moving average, and price will be $14,000. This will be the worst scenario for the Bitcoin. I'm not saying that Bitcoin is ready to do this. Maybe Bitcoin after hitting this zone, if Bitcoin push back from that zone, then there will be a big move of Bitcoin. Maybe we can see in coming days. Maybe Bitcoin can go further high, and if Bitcoin price goes down to retest this zone, then after hitting this, near about 300 to 400%, maybe 500% move is expected towards upside. Maybe Bitcoin move like this. And if I calculate the area, let me please show you what will be the target. If I calculate this, then target will be, let me please zoom this. if Bitcoin move 800% as previously Bitcoin did this, then price will be like this. Here you can see this will be the insane move for the Bitcoin, and 1000 Bitcoin will cross $1,000 price level, and it will hit this zone, and this is very good move I am expecting from Bitcoin. But you have to be very careful. If in any case Bitcoin break this 50 weekly moving average, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to maybe $14,000, maybe $13,500, and after hitting this, definitely price of the Bitcoin will rise again, and it will create new all-time high. But if this happens, then this is very scary, because it is approximately 57%. Bitcoin price can go down near about 57%. We have to be very careful. This is my 4-hour chart. Sorry for that. Bitcoin is still in this symmetrical triangle pattern, and I was told you Bitcoin have to break this this area, and once Bitcoin break this area, then definitely Bitcoin price will move towards the upside. But unfortunately Bitcoin is still moving sideways, and this breakout or breakdown will happen can happen in on 12 July or maybe 13 July. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. For hourly EMA ribbon is not good, and there is very less volume also, and let me please show you VPBR. VPBR main towers are at $32,500 to $35,000 area. Let me please show you my next chart. This is Bitcoin daily chart. I was told you in my previous video that Bitcoin is in this descending wedge, and Bitcoin have to break this upper trend line in order to move towards upside. But unfortunately Bitcoin is still in this box. Once Bitcoin break this box, definitely price of the Bitcoin will rise, and Bitcoin can hit again $38,000, maybe $40,000 this time. Daily EMA ribbon is at this area, $38,000. Once Bitcoin break this, in that case price of the Bitcoin will rise. Daily volume is very low, and most of the VPBR towers starting from this area, $32,500 to $40,000 area. Let me please show you my next chart. I was showed this chart on my previous video, in my previous video, and I was told you that Bitcoin was in this ascending triangle and was in this descending triangle, but unfortunately Bitcoin again fails to break this box. In order to move towards the upside, Bitcoin have to break this upper trend line, and Bitcoin break it successfully. Here you can see, let me please zoom this. Here you can see Bitcoin break this successfully, but Bitcoin have to stay above $33,000 area in order to move towards the upside, and there is a resistance for the waiting for the Bitcoin is waiting at $36,000 area. Once Bitcoin break this, then definitely it can go to $41,000 area. Let me please show you my next chart. This is same as previous chart. Bitcoin was in this ascending triangle, and this was upper trend line, acting as a resistance. Here you can see several touches of the Bitcoin price. Here you can see several touches, and after that here you can see Bitcoin touched several times this upper trend line, but unfortunately Bitcoin fails to break this. Once Bitcoin break this, in that case Bitcoin have to break this box area. Once Bitcoin break this box, then definitely Bitcoin can hit $37,000, maybe $40,000 in near future. And this is my last chart. Bitcoin in 1 hourly, Bitcoin is in this descending channel. Here you can see rejection from upper trend line. Here you can see Bitcoin hit this, and this is acting like a strong support for the Bitcoin, and this upper trend line is strong resistance area for the Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin break this upper trend line, which is at $35,300 area, in that case price of the Bitcoin will rise and Bitcoin can hit new targets. Otherwise Bitcoin will remain sideways in between $32,000 to $35,000 area. This is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, then please hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and please press the like button right now. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchanges, click on these links. These links are available in this video's comment section, and in pin message you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. My last words are that if Bitcoin break this channel $34,500 area and close hourly candles above this, in that case Bitcoin can hit $36,000. Otherwise Bitcoin will remain sideways in between $33,000 to $34,800. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.